So here is my safari packing haul video. I actually took this video before my first safari, and I've been on about 3 or 4 safaris, so I'll go over everything and if it's relevant or not. So first, passport, yellow fever vaccine. Most countries require this. I've never been asked to prove this, but it's good to have just in case. Obviously, you want to have a good camera. This isn't necessary. The iPhone takes really great photos. However, I got a zoomed lens because you can actually get way better photos if the animals are far away on a camera and a lens like this. So I decided to buy the zoomed lens and a new memory card. I got binoculars. Didn't really need to bring this because my camera kind of acted like binoculars anyway. Sunscreen, very important. And then I got these 2 Life Straw bottles. The one on the left, that one I'm pointing to, I actually ended up returning and didn't even use. I used the one on the right, and I still have that one, and it has a filter. So just to be safe, it's nice to have that option to filter out anything, because a lot of the safari lodges, you're not really supposed to drink the tap water. I also got a international charger, which was great. It's also good to get them with the little USB ports on there so you don't have to carry around those damn cubes. And then this was my best purchase. This is a selfie stick stand tripod thing, and it goes up to 6 feet. It has a remote control so that you can take pictures solo and link it to your phone. This is obviously a waterproof phone case. I've used this for so many trips, and my phone has stayed dry. So that is very necessary. Also, going over to the clothes and other meds and stuff I packed, hiking shoes, a good pair. It was hard not to get the hiking shoes that look cute and actually functional, but I'm glad I got the functional ones. This is a travel backpack. It opens up completely. It's like a suitcase. It's got an area for your shoes to go so they stay away from the rest of your stuff. And then medication. Yay! Pharmacia de Anne. So Zofran, yes, because being nauseous is the worst feeling in the world. I got malaria pills. It depends where you're going. So I chose doxycycline because it covers against malaria and tick bite fever. However, it makes your skin very sensitive to the sun. So that was the downside. I actually stopped taking them during the trip because I was in a malaria-free zone and it was causing more harm than good. So yeah, but it's good to have an antibiotic as a backup anyway. Then liquid IV, obviously over-the-counter meds that if something happens, like you get a bite or allergies, you have pain, whatever happens, you have this little first aid kit of meds and supplies that you can just go to. So that was great. I was worried about being tired, obviously. Ibuprofen, aspirin, good to travel with. These were great because I ended up using them washing my clothes in a bathtub in a hotel. So those little Tide packets were amazing. And here's all the clothes. I went for a lot of neutrals. That was great because you could mix and match so many outfits together. Like everything goes with each other. I got lots of accessories so that I could just change things up in my look based on that. But yeah, this was actually so nice to buy all these clothes. And I would say like 90% I ended up keeping. Yeah, I think everything in this, besides the big t-shirts, I kept afterwards. And I've reused on safari 3 or 4 times. So that's great. Also, not pictured here, but I packed everything in packing cubes, which is such a game changer when it comes to traveling. It keeps you so organized, and usually I would have like a shit show of a suitcase at the end of a trip, but this actually helps keep me super organized. Obviously, scarves, they're functional for sun protection, dust protection, making your outfit look cute. And I also got a pair of these fake Birkenstocks from Amazon. They're so comfortable and they're way cheaper. I also was on a hiking safari, which is why I brought really good hiking shoes. However, unless you're going to do a lot of bushwalks, I would just save the room, get some Birkenstocks. You don't get out of the vehicle on game drive, so you're going to wear those probably 99% of the time anyway. Anyways, thanks for watching my packing haul, and I will link everything to this post. Okay, thanks. Bye.